Now you know how social listening is vital. It is important because you want to know what's being said about you and where they are saying it. You'll also want to know how to respond to what they're saying. This is an essential part of online reputation management. So, are there any free social media tools that can help out with social listening? Yes, of course. Let's talk about some of the free tools available to you. Number 1. Google Alerts. Google Alerts is a basic way to discover when a website is posting about you. However, it doesn't capture everything, and it certainly doesn't cover social media or most blog sites. Still, it's a good, automated, entry-level way to get some feedback about any kind of search query emailed to you. Sign up at www.google.com/alerts. If you want instant results, mark "as it happens" under "how often." Google Alerts are emailed alerts of Google results, or you can subscribe to the RSS feed. Here are some steps to take when getting started. Step 1. Type in the search term you need to be alerted. Step 2. Pick which kind of search type you want: news, blogs, web, video, groups, or comprehensive, which includes all of the above search platforms. Step 3. Pick how often you want the updates. As it happens, once daily, or once a week. Step 4. Pick the email length. Up to 20 results or up to 50 results. Step 5. Pick whether to deliver it to your email box or as a feed. Step 6. Hit subscribe. Number 2. Social mention. Social mention collects aggregated data across multiple platforms. You'll see results from Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, PhotoBucket, etc. And there are some basic analytics that help you determine if the sentiment is positive or negative, how many different sources are active, etc. This tool is free, and the best part is it doesn't require registration. Hootsuite or TweetDeck. Both Hootsuite and TweetDeck offer some tools to consolidate and manage your social media accounts. You can also add search columns that are scanning Twitter in real time. Not everyone who tweets about you will be using your hashtag or tagging you, so this is a convenient way to spot what is being discussed and reply immediately. To use Hootsuite most effectively, create a stream with a keyword that represents your search. Step 1. Add a stream and then select a keyword. Step 2. Select the account under which you're monitoring the brand. Step 3. Type in the keyword or phrase, add it, and then add stream. A logical question here: what you should search for or listen to. Aside from the obvious of searching for your own brand name, here's what I recommend to put in the automated alerts for Google Alerts, TweetDeck and/or Hootsuite. First and foremost, your brand name. Add a few variations of your brand organization names, variations on key staff, first name only, last name only, first and last, and any abbreviations of your company name. Next, slogans, key messages, or mottos. Alternate spellings or misspellings of your name. If you have a unique name, this is even more important because the chances are people will forget how to spell your name and typos do occur. Keywords or phrases that are relevant to your industry. For example, if you are running a press campaign about a new initiative, you might search for your organization name plus keywords from your media release on different search engines each day. Whatever you do, do not rely solely on Google Alerts. As I've mentioned before, Google will not catch everything. So, these listening tools are time savers that make monitoring easy. Many of these tools are notification systems that allow you to act when you see alerts. And most, if not all, of these platforms have a real-time search component. If you're monitoring a brand of any size, a combination of these tools will help you stay on top of the conversations and become part of your social community.